Hello everyone. So today we've launched a new video editor. This used to be part of the Carousel editor, but seeing how you guys were utilizing our platform, I realized that it would be better to create a separate module to create videos. So if you go into the video module right now, you would see that this is exactly the same as our Carousel editor, but we've completely revamped it to be more focused towards creating Carousel videos. So let's just quickly generate some content. I've got some preset here. Okay, let's generate from article. So the content is now more aligned to be in a story style format. As you can see, the content that has been produced. And we've also added some new features that you can use to enhance the videos. So if you go to background search, we've added GIPHY integration so that you can actually add GIFs directly through our platform. So let's just search for carousels. Let's just select this. So we have the background image as a GIF. Let's just set the opacity to be 80%. Let's scale it down to fit. Okay. And now the GIFs is added like this. You can add background images directly using this button now. Okay. And you can search for GIPHY to get the GIFs that you want for the video carousel. Let's just go with this. This looks funny. Let's just increase the opacity again. It to 70. So now if you click on the download button, you would see that you can set the duration between 10 to 40 seconds of the video. I personally prefer 20, so let's go with this. And for the audio, you can upload your own MP3 file. You can go to the library to see all of your previously uploaded MP3 files, or you can go to search. And here we have integrated Audius, so you can search for any audio file that you want. Right now, we are seeing all of the trending audios here. And in case you want to play any of them, you can just simply click on the play button to hear it before you actually apply it to the carousel. And then simply click on the select audio and it would be applied. So let me just select the one that I've already got. This. Okay, so this is the audio file now. You can simply click on the play button to have it played, or to remove it, you can click on this button. And then if you're happy, just click on create video. So the video file has been downloaded on my system now. And let me just save this as a draft for I need to publish later. Okay. Let's just set it for time, save it as a draft. Now, if I go back to the planner, you would see that the post is here in the planner now, saved as a draft, and this symbol represents that this is a video carousel. Okay? This was created using the video editor, and you can again click on this to edit the design, make changes, set the time, copy the text, or download directly from here. Okay? So I hope that this helps you guys, and now I'm looking forward to your feedback on this new feature. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.